Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can use Airtable for your freelance graphic design project management. First up, let's create a new base. Go to your Airtable workspace, click on Add a Base, then Start from Scratch. This base will be your project management hub. This is essential because it allows you to centralize all your project information in one place, making it easier to access and manage. Now that we've done that, let's create tables for each project type. Click on Add a new table and name it after your project. The reason we do this is to separate different projects, making it easier to track progress and manage tasks for each one. After you have your tables, it's time to add fields. Fields can be anything from task name, deadline, client name, to status. You can customize these based on the specifics of your projects. This is crucial because it gives you a bird's-eye view of your project components, allowing for better organization and time management. Next up, let's add some records. These are your tasks. Click on the plus sign on the left of your table and start entering your task details. This helps us because it allows you to list all the tasks for each project, making it easier to monitor and complete them. Now we can't forget about views. Airtable offers various views like Grid, Calendar, Kanban, and Gallery. Choose the one that suits your workflow best. Grid is great for an overview, while Calendar is perfect for tracking deadlines. The reason we do this is to visualize our tasks and timelines better, making project management more efficient. Lastly, let's talk about collaboration. You can invite your clients or team members to your base, giving them access to view or edit. This is important because it fosters transparency and ensures everyone is on the same page. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Airtable for managing your freelance graphic design projects. Remember, the power of Airtable lies in its customization, so make it work for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.